Hey, it's Jess, your beauty BFF. I wanted to come and share a couple exciting things with y'all. One is my semi-annual thank you sale. And the second is a really amazing new product that is coming out next week and give you some really exciting information on it. So if you like sales, or if you would love to get rid of puffy eyes and darkness under your eyes and stuff like that, listen up. So first, let's talk about this product. You may have seen some little rumblings about it, but it is the hydrogel eye patches that have just come out. If you pay attention in the beauty world, you will know these are all the rage right now, but ours are absolutely incredible and less expensive. So here's the deal. Hydrogel eye patches are very hot right now. They're a K-beauty product, so they kind of originated in the Korean beauty market where they are like hot and awesome and smart. And so it's kind of like our coconut water facial. That came from there as well. Amazing product. So what you have is these little gel eye patches that you place right under your eyes for 20 minutes, a couple times a week. And what happens is most of it is water. You do get some nourishing botanicals and things, and it is a massive hydrator for under your eyes. It depuffs, so it removes the excess water that's building up to simply nourish the skin. So you lose the puffiness instantly. It brightens under your eyes. It helps to define lines and wrinkles, the tightening and firming. It's amazing. And so you get some instant result, but you get result over time, both later that day and as you do it consistently over time, the results magnify. And that is exciting. If you have ever felt like puffiness, darkness, crepiness, wrinkliness under your eyes is an issue, you want to get these eye patches. They are amazing. And you get, well, first of all, they are pink and sparkly. So can I get an amen that is super exciting and cute and pretty? I don't want to spill the goo, but they're really, really fun and easy to use. You can do them while you're, getting ready in the morning. You can do them at night before you go to bed, 20 minutes and you are set. So you get 30 sets of patches in each pack for $40. And if you do them 2 to 3 times a week, that's going to last you 3 to 4 months. So it's not a massive investment. It is less than half the cost of a lot of the eye patches that you'll find at Sephora or Ulta, but amazing. They are pH neutral. They are environmentally safe, so you're not harming the environment when you throw these out. And they are European Union approved ingredients, so you're not putting anything dangerous around your eyes. What more could we want, right? Super exciting. So these are great for men and women, and what a great time of year with the holidays to potentially have a fun gift that you can give someone. You can do it as a pillow gift, wrapped up all cute on the pillow of your spouse, or maybe your hubby needs to do this for you. Men, a lot of times, that is one of the areas that is their dead giveaway of age, is under the eyes, and they need something easy that you can do to help and to remove that. And so these are wonderful for all ages of adults, or all genders, men and women. But a stocking stuffer or even a hostess gift to thank whoever hosts your Thanksgiving or Christmas festivities. What a fun and luxurious and pampering, but also super beneficial for 99.9% of people gift to give this holiday season. So these come out next week. I am going to be ordering. I have pre-order privileges, and so I am getting these on hand right now. If you would like them, please let me know. And I would love to add a pack for you, or 2 or 3 for my first initial order. Okay, so there's the eye patches. That's the first info. The second thing I want to tell you is my annual that I do, semi-annual, twice a year, thank you sale. Y'all, I cannot tell you how much I am grateful for the job that I have and for what it has allowed me to have for my family and how my business provides for us. It's incredible. And that's like the job part, but the heart of the relationships I get to have with you guys means so much. Those of y'all who live close, those of you guys who live far away, I hold you in my heart all the time, and it is a joy to hear from you and to celebrate life with you and to mourn with you. You mean a lot to me. And so every fall, around this time of year, I do a thank you sale. Y'all know I don't do a lot of them, but we do twice a year, and you can buy one product and get another 50% off. That is unlimited. You don't have to buy two of the same thing. It's just your highest item is going to be full price. The next item is going to be half. Next item full price, next item half. And that sale is next weekend. Friday and Saturday, you can take advantage of that. And if you live local to me, I'm having a beauty bar in my home, come and go style, from 9 a.m. to noon on Saturday the 16th. So you can come and you can actually stock up right there on the spot. You can take what you want. You can also try new things. I will have demos and samples of everything, including the eye patches. Anything at all that you want to try. If your skin needs a little boost, I will have it all available. So you can walk around, you can try things, look at things, gift shop a little bit, see, put your hands on some things, and it's a lot of fun for me to get to see you guys. So I'm opening up my home for the thank you sale next Saturday from 9 a.m. to noon. You can come shop, you can come say hi, have some of my healthy treats that I'm going to be making, and stock up on that deal. If you don't live close by, yes, you can absolutely take advantage through texting, emailing, calling, whatever you need to do, ordering online. The main thing with ordering online, though, is try not to do guest checkout because it will charge you full price. If possible, try to not do guest checkout and just do a regular customer order registered in. If something happens, I will reimburse you instantaneously. And we'll get that money back in your pocket. But I just want to warn you, if you place an order online, it can easily get weird, but I can't do the correct sale through my website. It won't let me do buy one, get one half off and alternate and all that stuff. So I am super excited. It's going to be a fun week. So let me know if there are things that you need. And please RSVP if you're going to come. I would love to be prepared for you. And really, really excited about these fun new products. Also, there are new lipsticks. I'm wearing one. It's called Grazi Violet. Love it. They are 3 matte lipsticks, so they stay very well. They feel amazing on. There's a fun holiday red, a nice blue red, and then there's a deep, deep plum that's also beautiful. And you can come play with those if you'd like as well. All right, y'all, have an awesome, awesome weekend, and let me know if you have questions, if you have needs for some of these eye patches for gift giving or for yourself, and if you can be a part of our beauty bar next Saturday. I would love to have you stop by.